Hey, look up here.
Marie-chan! Hello! Tao po. Yun na ako, sige na. Nag-joke lang ako, natatakot na talaga ako. Kala ko, game will be a funny thing and a horror comedy. Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Lay, isang expert streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Christmas in Our Fears. Let's start na agad, why not? Why not? Di mo sinabi, expert horror streamer, sabi ko ah.
A message from the game takes place in the Philippines, with dialogue primarily in Filipino. The events you're about to see unfold in an alternate timeline of our reality. If you feel you are stuck in that reality, then good luck.
God! Wait, nagtataka ka ba kung saan galing yung pipe sound na yun? Galing yun sa live stream ko. Mag-claim ka lang ng 1k orbs para gulatin ako live. Check mo na lang yung Twitch ko down sa description. Alright, back to the video. Ayusin nyo naman, nakikinig pa ako.
On September 2nd, 1995, an investigator from Manila was dispatched to San Felipe, Zambales to investigate an abandoned cabin linked to the mysterious disappearances of families over the past 5 years. Their disappearances were unknown and no traces was found on the scene. However, all the disappearances sharing one chilling connection, a disturbing entity known as the Christmas Stalker,
Oh, Christmas to.
whose reign of terror begins every September and culminates in December, where it's said to believe is a final month where the Christmas Stalker takes its victims away. The following footage is the last known sighting of the investigator moments after his encounter with the entity.
Hello? May tao ba dito?
Tagalog! Investigate and look. Oh, Tagalog. Tao ba dito? Hello? Hello? Um, ayan. Tao po! Nakakatakot ba dito? Ano ba meron dito?
Parang pakiramdam ko may sumusunod sa akin.
Oh, sunod. What? Wala naman ah. Hello! Anong may sumusunod? Wala nga ako nararamdaman eh. Medyo malamig lang, no? Sa Pilipinas ngayon. Papabalik-balik lang ba ako dito? Na may makita ako. Hello! Dilip ako sa mga bintana. Matapang ako eh. Yep. Away. I remember when they smiled too. Only a matter of time before.
Pucha, ano yun? Nagmamalik mata ba ako?
Oh my god. Akala ko nakakatawa tong game na to. Bakit nagugulat ako? Literal na Pilipino ha. Pucha, ano yon?
Uy, putang ina mo ka!
Last Christmas, I give you my heart. The very next day, you give it away. This year, save me from tears. I give you to someone special. Christmas Stalker strikes again. Filipino night. Ah, so si Jose Marie-chan yun.
Gago ka! Saan nanggagaling
Last Christmas, I give you my heart. For the very next day, you give it away. This year, I save it from tears. I give it to someone special. Ano ba yun? Niningitian niya ako. Ako dito. Oh, ito. Surprise. You know how long... Ano daw? I've been waiting for this. for you to find me. Wow! Balaga!
Putang ina, putang ina. Putang ina.
What the?
Huh? Nakalak yung pinto sa labas. Parang iba yung pakiramdam ko dito ah.
Oh no. Oh no. The little ones were always my favorite. Their fear is so pure, so innocent, but you're different. I wonder what your feel looks like.
Hey, look up here.
Ay!
Hoy, Kupal. Lumabas ka dyan.
Kupal!
Putang ina mo, kala mo tatakot ako sa'yo.
Oh! Matapang! 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 Ano, Lods? Matapang yung karakter ko. Ano, Lods? Asan ka? Matapang to, matapang. Marie-chan. Hello. Tao po. Yun na ako, sige na. Joke lang ako, natatakot na talaga ako. Kala ko, game will be a funny thing and a horror comedy.
Ikaw!
What? Oh. Alis na ako, alis na. Palisin mo na ako! Palisin mo na ako! Sige na! Oh. Kasi ganun din tsura mo, Lods. Ako lalabas. May susi ba? Nilaki yung pinto eh. Ano na gagawin? Ano bang note? There's a note inside the book. The pages in birth soaked in blood of the innocents. Thank you, Master Newell Malari. Because of you, my darkest desire has been I brought peace, yes, but not peace will hope for. I dragged them screaming into abyss of Kinawag. Their suffering fits my eternal gratitude to you. You give me life and will continue to repair it.
Ganyan ka ba talagang kadesperadong hanapin ako? Kawawa ka naman. O siya, sige. Wala nang paligoy-ligo pa. Ipapakita ako sa'yo
Alin?
kung saan ko dinala ang mga pamilyang kinuha ko. Kinawag. Let him in.
Inagis ako? W game. Oh my god, ang ganda niya. Very good jump scare, very good storytelling. W Pilipinas.
Kung may mga taong nakakaintindi na kaya ko to kahit mag-isa lang ako. Mag-isa lang ako. Ang hirap maghanap ng kakampi. Kahit anong sabihin ko walang nag-iintindi. Mag-isa lang ako kahit malungkot ang